We're in the garden now, and these sweet potatoes are being grown for their food. These aren't just ornamental. This long row of vines is actually growing some sweet potatoes, which are actually going to be like yams for food. Why don't you come see the carrots? Because I showed you wild carrots, Queen Anne's lace, I want you to see these cultivated carrots. And maybe if I just sneak down in here and I just sneak a little bit of soil away, maybe I can convince you that underneath there is a sweet orange carrot. So carrots are in the carrot family, Apiaceae, and so celery. And right here is celery. It has a top that looks a lot like parsley. This is Apium graveolens celery. So here's carrots right next to celery. And this celery is called celeriac because it's being grown not for its leaf stems, the normal big crunchy celery stalks that we eat, but rather this is being grown for a really big root that has an amazing celery flavor that you can use in soup. So celeriac is still celery, but it's celery varieties that have been selected for their roots instead of for their leaf stalks. You can see these beautiful bell peppers. Bell peppers are nightshades. They're in the Solanaceae. Their genus is capsicum. And sweet peppers, like these bell peppers, are the same species as hot peppers. Hot peppers and sweet peppers are generally not different species. The jalapeno is actually the same species of pepper as this lovely sweet bell pepper. Here's the flower. You can see the nightshade flower, and there it is, sort of a classic nightshade flower on this capsicum plant. But the other thing that's a truth about green peppers that you might not know is that red peppers are simply green peppers that have been allowed to fully ripen. So red sweet peppers are green peppers that have stayed on the vine a lot longer. Because it takes longer for them to ripen, they're more expensive. You can get a lot more green peppers off a pepper plant than red peppers, because when you harvest the green peppers, the plant produces more fruits. If you wait for all of those peppers to ripen to orange or red, then you're going to not get quite as big a harvest, because while the first peppers are ripening to red, the plant won't set as many more new peppers. And I can't know for sure unless I bite into one, but the long shape of these peppers makes me think they may be hot peppers. However, there's some really wonderful long sweet Italian frying peppers, so the shape alone doesn't tell me if it's sweet or hot. Here I can see again ripening to bright orange in this case, and still here green on the bush.